These are the best vegan meatballs I've tasted. Our entire family loves them. The base is lentils. Start with 1 cup of green lentils and simmer them for 15 minutes, drain, and then spread them out onto a baking sheet so that they air dry. We undercook the lentils for this meatball recipe since they create the best texture. While the lentils cook, we'll prepare what makes these meatballs taste so darn good. Use a food processor to finely chop 4 ounces of mushrooms, half a medium onion, and 2 garlic cloves. You can do this by hand if you need to, but the processor makes quick work of it. Cook them in a tablespoon of oil until everything starts to soften. Then, stir in lots of flavor with a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper, as well as 2 teaspoons each of fennel seeds, Italian seasoning, and mushroom powder. Mushroom powder is optional, but we highly recommend it. See why in the recipe on the blog. Cook this for a few more minutes until all the moisture has evaporated. Now scatter 3 tablespoons of flaxseed meal in the food processor and follow it with 3 tablespoons of water, a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and a 1/2 cup breadcrumbs. Pulse everything around the bowl a few times to mix. Now add that mushroom mixture and follow it with all the lentils. For questions on ingredients used, see the recipe on Inspired Taste. When everything is in the food processor, pulse until well blended. See how the mixture holds together well? This is perfect. This recipe makes around 20 meatballs. I use a medium cookie scoop to make sure that they are similar in size and then roll them around the palm of my hands to get a smooth exterior. You can cook these in the oven or on the stove. Our preferred method is on the stove since it helps to add a lovely crisp exterior. See how nicely they brown? I like to take my time in rotating them as they cook so that they brown on all sides. You can enjoy them now or add some sauce. Here's some marinara. The meatballs hold up really well in the sauce. And that's it. Perfect vegan meatballs made with real ingredients. They are tender and incredibly flavorful. We just love them. As always, the full recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.